Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Hoka Clifton 9 is probably one of the most sought-after running shoes on the market right now, and for good reason. It offers an unparalleled blend of plush cushioning and surprising responsiveness, making it a versatile choice for everything from daily training runs to longer distances. Whether you're a seasoned marathoner or just starting your running journey, the Clifton 9 aims to provide a comfortable and supportive experience that can help you go further, faster, and with less fatigue. This review will dive deep into what makes this shoe stand out and if it's the right fit for your running needs. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit, your ultimate solution for keeping all your favorite shoes looking brand new. It's designed to tackle dirt and stains effectively. This kit includes a specially formulated cleaner, a brush, and a bottle, making it easy to achieve a deep clean. It works wonders on various materials without causing damage. Whether you have fabric, leather, or delicate suede and nubuck sneakers, this cleaner is safe and effective. It restores the original look of your shoes. Keep your white sneakers pristine with this powerful formula. It lifts away dirt and scuffs, making them look like you just bought them. The included brush and bottle ensure a convenient cleaning experience. Just a few simple steps will bring your shoes back to life. Invest in the longevity of your footwear collection. This kit provides everything you need for comprehensive shoe care, ensuring they always look their best. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for keeping your footwear looking pristine. It effectively tackles dirt and stains on various materials, from leather to suede. If you have a diverse collection of sneakers and want a simple way to maintain their fresh appearance, this is the kit for you. What people say. It's easy to use, lifts dirt quickly, and makes my shoes look almost brand new again. This stuff is easy to use. I mixed a couple capfuls with 16 ounces of warm water in a bowl, gave it a good mix in the bowl, dripped the brush that it came with, and started carefully scrubbing the solution onto the boots. Effective cleaning. The Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. Number 4. FEELLIFE Plantar Fasciitis Relief Shoe Insoles. Say goodbye to foot pain with these revolutionary insoles. Designed for ultimate comfort, they provide the support your feet need throughout the day. These insoles offer superior arch support, specifically targeting plantar fasciitis and arch pain. Feel the difference with every step you take. Whether you're running or just on your feet all day, these inserts are perfect for any athletic or casual shoe. Enjoy enhanced stability and cushioning. Easily trim them to fit your specific shoe size, ensuring a perfect and secure fit. They are designed for both men and women. Get the relief you deserve from plantar fasciitis and heel pain. These orthotic inserts promote better foot alignment and aid in recovery. Crafted with durable gel material, these shoe inserts provide long-lasting support and shock absorption. They are built to withstand daily wear and tear. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort and support with these specialized insoles. Designed to alleviate arch pain and provide cushioning, they are perfect for those suffering from plantar fasciitis. If you spend long hours on your feet or are looking for enhanced support during athletic activities, these are a game changer. What people say. I could walk completely normally with almost zero pain. These inserts offer amazing support, especially in the arch and heel, which is where I feel the most discomfort from my plantar fasciitis. The gel cushioning absorbs impact well, and the arch support helps relieve pressure from plantar fasciitis. Number 3. ALLSWIFIT Men's Slip-On Walking Shoes. Introducing the ALLSWIFIT Men's Slip-On Walking Shoes. Designed for ultimate comfort and a stylish look, these shoes make every step a breeze. Experience superior breathability with these lightweight sneakers. They keep your feet cool and comfortable, whether you're on the go or working out. Featuring a non-slip design, these athletic shoes provide excellent traction. You can rely on them for stability during any activity, from running to gym workouts. These versatile sneakers are perfect for a variety of activities. They seamlessly transition from walking and running to gym training and cross-training. Combine fashion with function effortlessly. These sneakers offer a modern aesthetic without compromising on performance or comfort. Enjoy all-day comfort with their slip-on design and cushioned interior. They are the ideal choice for your daily adventures and active lifestyle. What we like. Effortless style meets everyday comfort with these versatile shoes. The slip-on design makes them incredibly convenient for quick wear, while the breathable construction keeps your feet cool. If you prioritize ease of use and a comfortable fit for daily activities and light workouts, these are an excellent choice. What people say. They have proven to be very durable and super comfortable to wear for many hours. Fact that they're slip-ons is awesome and they fit true to size. The somewhat high collar keeps the ankles in place and stable. Cushioning feels right, very soft but not too much. I walked 10 miles in the first 2 days with no problem, no need to break in at all. I've been wearing them for a few months now. I've walked and jogged in them. Really like the slightly thicker inner cushion. The first pair is still as good as the day I bought them, and that was a year and a half ago. Very comfortable and great support at a great price, solid shoe. Number 2. ALLSWIFIT Women's Slip-On Walking Shoes. Experience unparalleled comfort with these innovative slip-on shoes. Designed for your active lifestyle, they provide a secure and comfortable fit for all-day wear. Keep your feet cool and dry no matter the activity. The breathable construction ensures optimal airflow, making them perfect for workouts or casual strolls. Move with confidence thanks to the reliable non-slip sole. It offers excellent traction, providing stability on various surfaces whether you're running or walking. From the gym to the street, these shoes adapt to your needs. They are ideal for cross-training, running, or simply as a stylish everyday sneaker. Enjoy a blend of fashion and function with these athletic sneakers. Their sleek design complements any outfit while delivering exceptional performance. Slip them on and go. These sneakers offer a convenient slip-on design without compromising on style or comfort. Perfect for busy individuals. What we like. Step into convenience and style with these women's walking shoes. Their slip-on nature offers ultimate ease, and they provide a lightweight feel for all-day wear. If you're seeking a fashionable yet practical option for casual outings or light exercise, these sneakers are a perfect match. What people say. The Hokas are very comfortable and provide excellent cushioning for long runs. I love the lightweight design of these shoes, making them feel effortless to wear. The wide toe box offers plenty of room for my feet, preventing any discomfort during activity. Number 1. NORTIV 8 Women's Walking Shoes. Experience unparalleled comfort and support with these innovative walking shoes. Designed for your active lifestyle, they keep you moving with confidence. Feel the difference with advanced cushioning that absorbs impact. Every step you take is met with plush comfort, perfect for long walks or runs. Our Active Float technology provides a responsive and energizing feel. It adapts to your movement, offering a superior bounce with every stride. Tackle any surface with confidence thanks to the non-slip sole. You'll maintain excellent traction, ensuring stability and safety wherever you go. Stay cool and comfortable with breathable materials that allow for optimal airflow. Their lightweight design ensures you feel agile and unrestricted. From the gym to the street, these sneakers offer a fashionable look. They are perfect for workouts, sports, or simply adding a stylish touch to your everyday outfits. What we like. Discover superior comfort and stability with these athletic sneakers. Featuring a cushioned sole for shock absorption and a non-slip design for safety, they are built for active lifestyles. If you need reliable and comfortable footwear for gym sessions, running, or any sport, these will keep you supported. What people say. The Hokas are very comfortable and provide excellent cushioning, making them ideal for long runs. The wide toe box offers plenty of room for your feet to spread out, preventing discomfort during extended wear. The rocker sole design promotes a smooth transition from heel strike to toe off, enhancing running efficiency. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.